Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating and verifying your Trading Octa account so it's ready for live activity. Start the app, enter your email and set a strong password, then enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, follow identity verification. Upload your ID and selfie because the platform needs it to unlock deposits and withdrawals. Make sure to link a bank account or card and fund the wallet. A small initial deposit, like $10, gets you trading access immediately. You now move into executing trades and using Trading Octa's tools to manage risk and timing. Pick the market and instrument, then choose an order type, market for instant fills, limit to control price, and set stop loss to cap potential loss. Once done, open the charting panel, add indicators, draw support and resistance, and save a watch list to track positions. Make sure to review fees and margin requirements so your position size aligns with your risk rules. To finish, actively manage your positions and prepare for common issues so you don't lose control. Monitor open trades, tighten stops or move take-profit orders as trends develop, and scale out of positions incrementally to lock gains. If you need to exit quickly, use the close all or quick sell functions. If something goes wrong, connection errors, delayed quotes, or failed orders, first check your network and app updates, then clear cache or contact support with a screenshot for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.